Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Xbox One X. With the separation you have to power off your console, and now when this power off, press and hold 1, 2 and 3 button together. Press and hold it to hear the 1 beep and second beep. After you're gonna hear the second beep, release 3 buttons and look on your TV. You're gonna see this option for option, and for hard reset we're gonna choose this thing. Delete everything. And it's done. Console, we're gonna start with the new firmware without any password and passcodes, and that's all. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.